was the creation of different outposts in different sensitive locations of the state along the border areas. And the cabinet today has officially sanctioned and approved BOP for East Jente Hills in Muriap, in West Jente Hills in Mukro, and TY BOP number 3. This is in West Jente Hills. In Ribhoy, in Rani Jira, the BOP has been approved. In West Khasi Hills, in Umwali, number 2 in Lejadubi, and number 3 in Langpi. We have also decided that the outpost will be officially sanctioned for Athiabari. Also, we have decided that the upgradation of the outpost to full-fledged police stations will be done in Patarkama, number 1, and number 2 in Kershai, and number 2 in Kershai, and for outpost will also be upgraded.
Kitu gide ki border outpost anik ta ki kitam Pulit ki ba ka sarkar ka thmu ban bu na ta ban panthlanya ka jing para ya ki pai ba apo khapot kum juru na ki BOP na raidu ka cabinet man panthlanya ne pen he ya ki police station kham ba ka jing rai ki pai ba apo khapot ya ki kitam Pulit la rai ka kanun menteri ban bu ki thang ka pot ari jong ka jing ja apo bukro haka arpo atuk na bing haka ba sangot ki parari ki la sha sediap ki Pulit Assam Henry umutri rang ba berim ke jenla bat undang-undang kaleng persya Dr. Mukul sangma urabu ke jengkeli ya sarkar ba anjo Pulit nei manaj pahara le ban up hakite ki BOP dan ki police station nama hadu menta ki spah tylli ki kam Pulit ki la sulai tylli haka ba sarkar hadu menta kampat semtung setia ya kani Dr. Mukul le kren bagi nato khabar hari melawai ka town hall meeting jaga sang travel congress nang ba Shillong.
That's why I'm saying today the people of the state must ask the government. You are saying that okay, police outpost. Do you have the police? Do you have? How many vacancies are lying unfilled up? Vacancies are lying as you know they are. I checked up because there was a case and a case of abduction of one person in South Garo Hills. You know, the police could not run after the criminals because we tried to find out what happened. They said we don't have manpower. We're talking about Nongal Bibra PS and then Jadi police. They don't have manpower. Go and find out for yourself. Try to find out how many police force are there in Jadi police station, in Nongal Bibra police station and other police station. Please find out what is happening. Because of these vacancies, the huge vacancies which have accumulated over the years because of government's resolve not to fill up this post and deprive the youth. Now, all these vacancies in the DEF were filled up by transferring the men of the organization from SF10. SF10. You just see and ask the present existing current strength of SF10. The SF10 battalion which was created with a clear-cut intent, with a clear-cut purpose, with investment, so much of investment from scarce resources of the state. They have sifted these men of this organization who were designated to be in this SF10, a special force 10, who were trained for a special purpose. In the special force 10, you have the commandos to deal with any challenge pertaining to militancy, terrorism, etc., etc. And also the rangers, we call them, to deal with any kind of instance of civil unrest. They are trained. They are trained by using the scarce resources of the government because the state needs it. What have they done? They have transferred all these people to different regions. So this is the outcome of the government's deliberate intent of depriving the youth because they want to divert this money which is available for the salaries of the youth for something else to satisfy their ever swelling greed. Thank you.